Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Home Gardening. In this video, we will learn to grow garlic from the cloves easily found at every home. Garlic needs moderate temperature to grow. It needs a combination of different types of climate. It needs a cool and moist climate for bulb development, while for maturity, climate must be warm and dry. So this means garlic can't tolerate extreme cold or extreme hot conditions. So an average temperature of 25 to 30 degrees Celsius is most helpful for garlic plantation. Choose garlic bulbs that are fresh and of high quality. Now separate cloves and each clove will sprout into a plant which will further turn into garlic bud. For potting mix, take 60% normal garden soil plus 40% vermicompost. This flat part is the bottom part from where roots grow, and this is the top portion from where plant grows or new shoots emerge. Make a hole and place the clove in their upright position, means the pointed tip will be facing upwards and flat end of clove should be facing downwards. I have here taken very small pot as I only want fresh green stalks of garlic. But if you want to grow bulbs of garlic, then you have to take a pot of at least 8 to 10 inch deep. And if you plan to grow garlic greens, then plant cloves close to each other. But if you are planning to grow garlic bulbs, then you need to maintain 4-inch gap between each clove. So almost after 20 to 22 days, you will get results somewhat like this. So let's take out the plant from the glass to see root development. Just have a look how well roots have developed in just 20 days time period. You can use fresh green stalks once they are 4 to 6 inch tall, but remember to leave an inch of growth on each clove to let your garlic plants grow again. So this way you can get fresh garlic green stalks, as well as you can also get garlic bulbs at home. So this was all for this video. If you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up. Do share it with your gardening lover friends and family. If you are new to channel, do subscribe and hit bell button to never miss an update from Easy Home Gardening. We'll meet you all again with some new information. Till then, thank you and happy gardening.